Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can print your presentation, how you can print your Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open our presentation, and after opening the presentation, we have to go to the file option, and after going to the file option, as you can see, here's the print preview. If you want to check out the print preview, you can also do that. So firstly, I'm going to click on the print preview. So let's see how it will look. As you can see now, it will look like this. So as you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to click on the print. As you can see, if you want to download this as a PDF, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the print, and after clicking on the print, generating the preview. As you can see now, here is the preview. Now you can print your presentation like this. So as you can see, I didn't edit the titles in these slides. That's why these slides are empty. And as you can see now, the titles are edited here. So in this way, you can print your Google Slides presentation, which is very easy to use and which is very easy to print as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can print this. So see you guys in the next video.